lady, this is Allison Price here with another DIY Wednesday for you. And today I would like to demonstrate a simple way to do your own all-natural sinus steamer. So I know that right now a lot of people are struggling with sinuses. You may be struggling with some seasonal discomfort. And so there are things that you can try and do to offer yourself some relief before, again, turning to your over-the-counters and your pharmaceuticals and things of that nature. So one thing that I like to do anytime we've got any kind of seasonal discomforts or sinus discomforts, a way to just help support the sinuses and support your overall immune system is to do one of these simple and easy sinus steamers. So all you have to do is boil a cup of water like you're going to make yourself some tea. I don't use a microwave, and for this I would suggest boiling the water on the stove anyways, because you get a nicer boil and you get more of a steam that will then come from your mug when you pour it in, when you pour the water in the mug. So I don't know if you can really see that coming through on the video, but I've got a nice steam coming from my boiled water. And so all I'm going to do is I'm going to add 1 drop of each of the following essential oils. So I'm going to do 1 drop of tea tree. And tea tree is really good for purifying the air that you're breathing, also to support your immune system. I'm going to add 1 drop of lemon. Lemon will come out fast, so it's okay if you get more than 1, but I like to just try and get 1. And so lemon is a really good one for assisting with seasonal discomforts and helping your body work through that. 1 drop of peppermint. Of course, peppermint promotes healthy respiratory function. And if you're really feeling stuffed, it's just going to help bring more comfort to the sinus area. It's going to open things up for you momentarily. Then you can use oregano, or I actually like to use thyme. So they're similar in a lot of ways, but thyme in particular is very well known for supporting a healthy immune system, for being very cleansing, very purifying, and for reasons that I cannot say because I have to stay compliant on public platforms. Thyme is really good at helping your body work through a lot of different things. So you can find all of that information. You can just go to pubmed.gov and do a little searching around on thyme essential oil. And then as a bonus oil, if you have it, I always love to add a drop of copaiba. Copaiba is just so good at supporting all of the inner workings of your body, so it is never a bad choice, okay? So once you get those added, you are going to take a towel and you are literally going to drape your head. Get your hair out of the way. You're going to drape your head and take deep breaths in. You're going to want to keep your eyes closed. And you are literally just going to want to sit here and do this until your cup of water stops steaming. And sometimes it can be very intense. So you may need to take a break if you want. You could see I can already feel things moving around in here and clearing up. Another thing that you'll want to do is give yourself a nice massage right around here. Almost like you're pulling it out as you let all of that loosen up. So drape it over. Deep breaths in. Keep your eyes closed. And just keep breathing that in until your mug stops steaming. So that is it. That is your simple, easy, all-natural sinus steamer to help support healthy sinuses and really healthy overall immune function. And so I will go back to the caption on this video once my mug's done steaming and I'm done enjoying this, and I will add the oils so that you can see them. And you can do this all throughout the day as often as you feel you need to. So that is your all-natural sinus steamer. If you have any questions, drop them down below. Don't forget you can also opt into my 7-day free educational series on an aromatic autumn. So learn all about those wonderful autumn aromas that you may love and learn when you use them and recreate them naturally, all of the beneficial properties that they offer to you instead of using all of the synthetics and the harmful junk that we usually use to make our home smell like mulled apple cider and all of that good stuff. So have a wonderful Wednesday, everybody. Go steam your sinuses, and I'll see you back here next week.